Pagdating sa prosthetic care, bakit kailangan pa ng subscription? Why pay membership fees para alagaan ka? Marami sa inyo hirap na nga sa lakad. May discomfort, may bigat, may pain, tapos may extra fees pa. Dito sa OrthoWorks PH, hindi ka namin papahirapan. No hidden charges, no surprise payments, walang subscription, walang membership. Basta mag-book ka, you get premium prosthetic care, proper gait training, comfortable, lightweight fit, alignment based on your body and lifestyle, aftercare and follow-ups. Because you deserve quality care without extra stress. Your journey, your pace, our support. Ready to walk confidently again? Message us now to book your free online assessment. No fees, no gimmicks, just real care that puts you first. OrthoWorks PH. Power in every step, comfort in every move.